This pie is very good. Okay. Time to walk outside. So guys, today we're gonna be looking for wild dogs and cats. Oh my gosh, I found some wild catty. Oh, wild cat. Wild dog. It's a wild dog. Run! Run! Ah! He's going crazy on him, man. Sorry, guys, for the bad camera. I'm trying to run. Oh, it's another dog.
Let me have the camera.
Look, cameraman. Look, stop. Mess it up. Doggy. There you go. Oh God, watch out! Stop in the name of the law. You're going over the speed limit by 50. Run! Run more, bears! Run! Oh my God! Oh no! For all the dog lovers out there. Since you have a leash, I'm gonna run! Go! Get to our base.
Let's make a name for him. How about Tango?
Tango, good.
Then let's
Oh no!
Let's keep him. He has a leash.
Ah!
He's very energetic. Tango, you wanna go?
Look at this dog.